What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, we caught Zapdos and Moltres, the remaining legendary Pokemon from Kanto. And I'm not gonna catch entire Raikou or any roaming legendaries. I'm only gonna catch Suicune. We have Suicune left, so yeah. But before we catch Suicune, I wanna do a thing. But before that, I want to say a thing. I grinded our Azul up to level 80 and everybody at level 80, and I deposited our Heracross, Sokka and brought Scout because we need Surf. So yeah, and let me quickly use and repel. I think I have some. Okay, I have 17 of them. And yeah, in this episode I'm gonna do a very special thing. And if we go back to Dragon's Den, where we got our badge from Claire, you can rematch Claire along with Lance and Silver with us. So let's surf. I brought back Scout for only this reason. And yeah, here is Silver. Watch, are you here to make fun of my training? I took my time coming all the way here, but the master won't let me anything and is making a big deal out of it. So I decided to train my Pokemon here instead. And Lance, hi Ethan, and you, we met at Team Rocket hideout. You, where have you been all this time? Prepare to lose to me this time, I challenge you, calm down. I was in a little bit of hurry then. Sorry for that, but I always welcome challengers. Hey, how about a double battle? You can't beat me one-on-one, can you? Come on, a double battle is really not bad. Ethan, you'll be on my side. Well then, you over there, will you team up with me? You must be kidding. That embarrassing one in the weird costume for me. No way, I can battle with her. Ethan, come to my side. We'll beat Ethan, come to my side. We'll battle them together. Here we go. Ethan and Silver versus Claire and Lance. And they are going to open up their Dragonair and Gyarados. And Lance has trained up his Pokemon, looks like. And I'm going to go for Discharge. And our Quick Claw activated. So yeah, that Gyarados is sent to straight up hell. And we killed the Gyarados. Nice. Sorry for hurting you, Silver. And I think, okay, we doesn't even do enough. And we got to level 81. And the Meganium is paralyzed. And we got paralyzed. Nice. And Lance sent out his Charizard. I'm gonna go for Discharge again. And because of our paralysis, sorry Meganium. Sorry for everything I done. And he landed his Dragonair. And we flinch. Nice. And he's going for Silver. Nice. Please KO the Dragonair. Nice. Light is paralyzed again. Light. And our Quick Claw activated. Yes. Bye bye Charizard. You'll go to straight up hell. No, you survived. Oh shit, I made a huge mistake. Okay, please not KO me. Please do not KO me. For the love of freaking God. Please. I think our okay, let's go for Discharge. And Air Cutter will KO the Charizard, and I think, and his Hydro Pump landed on our Light. So light went down. We'll send out our Azula. He sent out his Dragonite, and I gave Miracle Seed to Azula. Let's go for Fly on the Dragonite. And he went for Bite on the Kingdra. Bye bye Kingdra. Lance went for Draco Meteor. Landed on Crobat. So Dark Claw, bye bye. Okay, special attack harshly fell. And they both sent out their Dragonites. And I think my Fly will kill. Okay, it survived. And it went for Toxic. Nice. Fire Punch. Bye bye Crobat. And Thunder landed. I think, okay, because of its special attack, Lord, he survived. And this is 1-on-2 now, so it's our fault. It's my fault. And Azula, thank God its special attack was lowered. or else we would been taken so much damage. And he misses thunder. Nice. Dragonite is not that much of a special attacker. It's a physical attacker mostly, and it landed his thunder. And I think thunder has more accuracy when the opponent is flying. I don't know. Okay, we are already 5 minutes in, and we defeated champion Lance and Gym Leader Claire. Okay, I'm not going to read the dialogue now. Okay, Silver, your goal bat evolved. So yeah, Azula, let's fly. You cannot use that here. I'll see you guys when I reach the place. Okay guys, we are back at the league now, and let's choke on the helicopter. Okay, hold it. I'm not going to read your dialogue, Silver. Here we go. Our final rematch with Silver, guys. Once and for all, Ethan versus Silver. Okay, he's gonna open up with his Sneasel. It doesn't even evolve yet. So yeah, good thing we have Focus Blast on. Sorry, Power Gem on Light. And rival Silver sent out his Crobat. Oh, it outspeed. What? Okay, we landed our Power Jump. KO 100 times. I think this is going to be an easy battle, guys. And rival Silver sent out is Gengar. I'll go for Discharge. Bye bye, Gengar. KO. Nice. We are so overleveled compared to him. And I have Signal Beam for ya. Like a fam. You set up Reflect. That's not gonna help you because I'm a special attacker and I have all special moves. So yeah. And his rival Silver sent out is Meganium. I think the Signal will KO him. No. He went for Light Screen. Okay, he went for Full Restore. So he had Full Restores now. Okay, we confused him. Or quickly activated, nothing matters. Hurt in yourself. Bye. Okay, I'll take you out with a Discharge. Bye bye, Meganium. And the Reflect wore off. And rival Silver sent out his Magneton. Discharge. Okay, he went for Thunder Wave. I think we'll outspeed anyway. Light Screen were off, and he outspeed. I think our Discharge will KO him because the Light Screen were off. And yeah, and I said I'm gonna catch Suicune, and I'm gonna catch it in this episode. We are only 8 minutes in this episode, and yeah, let's go and catch Suicune. I think this is the place. Let's go to Vermilion City, guys. Okay, I saved up and healed up our party, and our repellent effect wore off. And looks like there is not in Suicune. Okay, it looks like we can't catch Suicune, guys. I thought we were gonna catch it, so we can't catch it. So yeah, we can't catch it. I'm gonna change up our team little bit before we enter the league. In the next episode, we're gonna enter the league. This is going to be nice. Tomorrow is going to be the pre-finale. So yeah, Elite Four and Champion. I'm gonna end off this episode in Goldenrod City because I wanna buy some TMs, guys. So yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Peace out.